This segment is on treatment of ice pick scars, which is one of the types of acne scars. Ice pick scars are a common type of scars which appear as small, sharp indentations that are wider at the skin surface and then narrow down into a point as they reach down into the skin. They usually occur in combination with other types of acne scars such as rolling and box scars, and the approach to treatment is different. TCA cross is usually the first line of treatment for this type of scars. TCA is tricloacetic acid, and cross stands for chemical reconstruction of skin scars. When we apply TCA, it creates a chemical reaction that leads to the formation of new collagen fibers that increase the height of the treated scars. The concentration of TCA is usually 70 to 100%, and this is applied to individual pits. We do this with either a toothpick or a small paintbrush. Treatment is well tolerated usually. Healing takes place over 5 to 6 days. Most patients will require 2 to 4 treatments depending on the depth of the scars and their skin type. Please like, subscribe, and comment.